everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a bit like a train driver right now, but I love this hat so much, so yeah, just gonna wear it. So in today's video I sort of gonna do a get ready with me. Not sure what I'm gonna call it. It is quite, there's a bus outside, it is quite a bright spring makeup look. There is a lot, me winking, there's a lot of like warm tones used, shimmery, very dewy, and yeah, I love it so much. And there's some new products that I have been using at the moment that I have been loving and I wanted to share with you. So if you want to see how to create this makeup look literally from 0 to 100, then please keep watching. So I have already done my brows and I've moisturised my face using the Olay Beauty Fluid. It's just the normal one. They do have a sensitive one as well, but I just use the normal even though my skin is sensitive, but I've been using it for years and it works wonders on my skin. I've currently got a nice little spot. Surprisingly, it's gone down a lot. Oh my god, it was so big. Even Bradley was like, he just kept laughing all the time and I was like, oh my god, because I don't really get spots. And this part here is your hormonal area, and I don't know what happened. Obviously my hormones were going a bit crazy and I got a spot, which is not exactly the most ideal thing, but you know, it happens. Everyone gets them. It's all good. So, also, don't mind the mess. I'm just sort of doing a get ready with me. I'm currently sat here at my beauty table and I'm literally just getting ready. I've got all my stuff laid out in front of me. I'm going to start using some new products that I have been loving at the moment. There are a couple of new ones. So yeah, let's all begin. So, there's two new foundations that I have been obsessed with at the moment. They are higher end, which is kind of annoying because you're spending a little bit more. I totally think it's worth it. So I have used the NARS, this is the new Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, for a couple of weeks now, since I went to Paris, literally every single day, and it's still got loads in there. And then I also like to mix it with the Hourglass Foundation, and I use the shade Buff. This shade is Patagonia, so yeah, that's what I like to use. I start off with the Hourglass one and I like to just pop it on parts of my face which need covering up the most. I have redness, so I like to sort of do it here on my nose, and then I like to just sort of dot it here. I miss my forehead because I don't really like to use loads of product there, and then I go down on my neck because this foundation's a little bit, I've got my window open and all the cars have decided to like drive. Anyway, yeah, I have redness around here and it just covers it up really nicely. I then use the NARS, squirt it on my hand. I use the Vanity Planet concealer brush just to apply this, so I do like swipes with it. And then to blend it in, I'm going to use two things. I'm going to start off with this angled foundation brush from the iconic London. I think it's the Ultimate Blogger Bundle brush there, I think. I always start with my neck because I want the less product to be here, because that's sort of where it blends, and then I'm just going to blend the rest. And then use the Beauty Blender after. So for concealer, I'm going to use my trusty Maybelline Fit Me. I always go back to this one, mainly because the Revolution one, which I love, ran out the other day. So I was like, and I couldn't go into town because I was doing something, I can't remember what I was doing. So I had to just go to Tesco's quickly and pick up this. So luckily they stocked this in Tesco's, so good on Tesco's. I am just going to use my Beauty Blender to blend all of this in. I've zoomed you in a bit so you guys can see. Right, I've zoomed you in a bit so you guys can see more up close and personal with what I'm doing. It looks like I've got no lashes on because all the makeup's gone on top, but oh well. So, to set everything in place, I'm going to use... I'm going to use this. I'm just going to use the normal, my trusty Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in transparent, I believe. Yeah. So this is just my fave. You sort of want to pat it on for a longer stay. I feel like it works better and it doesn't move the product underneath. So always pat, don't rub. And then I'm going to use the same powder but a bigger brush just to go over my whole face. So now what is this doing? Oh, is it a shadow from that? Is that better? So once I've powdered my face, I'm then going to move on to bronzer. I'm going to use the NYX Contour Kit. It's the powder one, and they have got a white one. The packaging's black on this one, but the packaging is white on the cream contour. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know what's going on with my head today. So I'm just going to use this fluffy brush from Iconic London. Just spreads it out so evenly, like, and it's so quick and easy, especially in the mornings when you're in a rush and you're just like, quick bronzer, literally all on your face. I don't know, I'm rushing now, I'm like, woohoo. So yeah, I'm just going to do it on parts of my face that need bronzed and contoured. I've done that. I like to move on to my eyes and then finish my base off afterwards. So I've prepped my lids already. For today's look, decided to use the Iconic London eyeshadow palette. This is a new one, yeah. They've only got one, but I got sent a new one a while ago. It looks like this. I'll show you up close all the colours. So beautiful, and all of them are so pigmented, like, it's a joke. How do you take this off? Okay, right, the mirror thing has come off. Oh, that's so clear. So I haven't used this in so long, I've forgotten like what to do. I don't know, I'm not too sure what look I'm going to do, but I'm feeling quite a spring vibes. I don't know why, because it's really grey outside my window, but I am. So I think that's what we're going to go with, and it's really versatile, this palette. Like, you can create a lot of looks with it, I feel like. So yeah, don't really know what I'm going to do. Just going to wing it, because that's what I like to do. So what I'm going to do is grab the shade Marshmallow, which is at the bottom, and then just really lightly dust this all over my lid, just to sort of like set it all in again. I'm going to use a really big fluffy brush and use the shade Ultimate Tan. I feel like I'm going to do like a process with the eyes, because I like to do that, you know. I like to take forever. And we're just going to use, wait for those cars to go, shouldn't I? We're just going to use this all on the transition at the moment, and then just keep blending. Blending is key, okay? Just keep blending. So pigmented already. We're going to use that same shade on the lower lash line too. So my camera just died. But what I'm going to do now is grab this brush from the Iconic brush set and use the shade Bellini, I think. I'm just going to do sort of a pinky peachy look, I think. That's what I'm like going towards. Or maybe I should bronze. I don't know. I'll do pinky peachy look. And I'm going to literally swipe this on my lid like so. Like a rainbow. Think of it like a rainbow. And literally just go in your crease and just swipe back and forth. So you sort of want to leave a gap here. Then I'm going to grab the shade Merlot Mondays, which is this beautiful pink. Where is it? Here. And just do exactly the same thing, but you're just building the colour up, because at the moment it's quite warm, and well, this colour is a warm look, but it's quite orangey, so I want to pinken it up a little bit. I'm going to move on to the shade Deep Soul and deepen where I've applied my eyeshadow up a little bit. Really lightly low, because this colour is a bit intense. Is mix the shade Girl Boss and Closing Party together with my finger, and pop that in the middle. It needs to be more orangey. Right, I'm going to also mix Rags to the Riches, because I feel like that'll be a bit better. Yeah, that shade's so much better. So let's just do that shade in the middle. Oh, and I'm also going to mix Bronze Bay with that. Just going to mix them all together, you know, as you do. For liner, I'm going to use the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner. It's just a liquid one, and I'm just going to line my lash line. And then I'm going to use the Iconic London Mascara on my bottom and top lashes. And then what I'm going to do is apply some falsies. So, moving on to blush, I'm going to use my favourite and trusty NYX blush in the shade BBL11. I only like to apply a little bit, but because I've got quite a bright eye makeup, I'm going to apply a little bit more than usual just so it all blends in together. You sort of want to blend it in with your bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going to use the amyrose highlighter with Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I'm also going to spray my brush before I do it with the Dewy Spritz by Ciate. I haven't used this yet. I got it sent to me ages ago. It's so beautiful. It's really like the Iconic London one in a way. So yeah, this is what it looks like up close. And then... so pretty. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The packaging is just so beautiful. I just can't deal. Can't deal. Right, so I'm going to spray my brush. And then go in with the highlighter. Just start really gradually. And then you want to use your finger and blend it all. So you have a very natural glow. No, we're not going to do natural. We're going to build it up today. When do I ever do a natural glow? Like literally never. I just love highlighter too much. I done like a natural highlighter look the other day. Bradley, my boyfriend, he was like, you've done your highlighter different. And I was like, what? I was like, I've done it more natural. He was like, no, don't like it. So, okay. I just like glam highlighter. Oh, I'm getting a bit carried away here. Lips, I'm going to use some Vaseline. Use my Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. I'm going to use a different lipstick though, guys, so don't worry. Got these two, and then I might apply a metallic over the top. So I'm going to start off with the shade French Maid. Dusk to Dawn in the middle. But then I like the lips, so I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll apply a little bit. See how it goes. I quite like. For once, I've changed my lip combo. I'm going to use the Ciate Dewy Spritz to spray my makeup. So everyone, this is the final result. Do you like my Baker Boy hat? I love it. It's from Pretty Little Thing. If you didn't know that, I have done about 100 Pretty Little Thing hauls. So if you do want to see all of them, then make sure you check all of them on my channel. Make sure you're up to date with all of the videos that I have done recently. I feel I've done so many. So yeah, make sure you're all up to date with all the videos on my YouTube channel as well. And I hope you like this makeup look. It was so fun to create. I'm literally sat in front of my Hollywood mirror where I always do my makeup in the mornings, and it's literally just a normal get ready with me. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this look. If you have, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Sorry about the mess here. I don't know, it's just normal, isn't it? Probably should have cleaned it up though, but you know, trying to make myself feel a bit better. But anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye.